how to do projection of lines. Yes. So I have already taught you projection of points. So if you have a basic knowledge on projection of points, then you can easily understand projection of lines. This is because straight lines are obtained by joining two points, as you already know that. So if you know projection of two points, then you can solve projection of lines. In most of the problems in projection of lines, you will be asked to solve and find the true length of the line. True length or the length of the line. So we will solve a problem related to projection of lines. So you have to understand the question very carefully. So we have to project, or we have to find a line AB, and it is given that AB is 40 mm long. It's also given that AB is parallel to both HP and VP, horizontal plane and vertical plane. So that is the first part of the question. So second part of the question is point A is given, which is 20 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. So you already know projection of points. So A point, if it is 20 mm above HP and if it is 30 mm in front of VP, then definitely it will be lying in the first quadrant. The top view, top view, top view will be in the horizontal plane, and front view will be on the vertical plane. So you can easily solve the problem. So I will first draw the projection of point A. From that I will find the B point, and then I will find the line AB. Yes. So first we have to draw the XY reference plane. In the question it is given that point A is 20 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of V. So definitely it will be in the first quadrant. So we have the vertical plane above the reference plane, and we have the horizontal plane below the reference line. Now front view, we will be we will when looking from the front, the projection of point A will be on the vertical plane, and from looking from the top, the projection of point A will be on the horizontal plane. So this is A dash, which is front view, and we will have A, which is the top view. So this is 20 mm and this is 30 mm. Now in the question it is given that AB line is parallel to VP and HP. So we have to imagine. So which means it will be parallel to the XY line or the reference line. So draw a straight line which is 40 mm in length. So we get the P point. Project it downwards to get the top view. So this is your top view and this is the front view. So here A dash B dash and AB line has to be drawn with HB pencil. That is our output. So it has to be dark. In the remaining it should be with 2H pencil. Yes. You will be having problem to imagine. So let me show you an image where the line is parallel to both HP and VP. So you can see in the first figure here AB line, it is parallel to VP and it is also parallel to HP. So here you can see the projectors, then the front view. Front view will be on the vertical plane and top view will be on the horizontal plane. Another line which is perpendicular to HP. So here you have the HP. This line is perpendicular to HP. Front view will be on the vertical plane. And if you see the top view, the projection of AB line, it will be a point on the horizontal plane. We will see problem number 2, the next problem. So read the question carefully. It is given that a point P is 30 mm below HP and 25 mm behind VP. Then another point Q is also situated at the same distance from horizontal plane and vertical plane. Then the projectors are 80 mm apart. Draw the projection of line. That is, the points are 80 mm apart. So we know the length of the line will be 80 mm, or the true length of the line will be 80 mm. Now we have to sketch this. So if you see this diagram, you see this diagram, so we have the horizontal plane. This is the horizontal plane. Then we have the vertical plane. Then in the question it is given that point P is, I will take the question one more time. Point P is 30 mm below HP and 25 mm behind VP. So 30 mm below HP, 30 mm below HP and 25 mm behind VP. So this is HP and this is VP. So it will be in the third quadrant. So below HP, 35 mm below HP and 25 mm behind VP. The point will be in the third quadrant. So this distance will be 30 and this distance will be 25. So we have a point here. This will be the point. So we have to sketch it. So now if we look from the front, if we look from the front, imagine that this vertical plane is transparent. So if you look from the front, the point projection will be on the vertical plane, and if you look from the top, the projection of the point will be on the horizontal plane. Now you have to rotate the horizontal plane. As if you sketch this figure, you sketch this problem. So first you will have the XY reference line, then horizontal plane will be at the top and vertical plane will be at the bottom. Yes. Then the front view will be on the vertical plane. So this is your front view P dash, and top view will be on the horizontal plane P. Yes. Now the will be front view will be 30 mm from the reference line, and top view will be 25 mm from the reference line. Then second part of the question is that the point Q will be 80 mm apart. So this is 80. So this is Q dash. And here also you draw a straight line 80 mm. So this is Q. So this is your top view and this is the front view. P dash, Q dash and PQ are the true length. P dash and Q dash, P dash, Q dash and PQ, you have to draw it with HB pencil. It should be dark. That is the output. Remaining you use 2H.